Hi, my name is Paris Hoskins, and I will be giving you some insight to an individual intervention called job design. Job design is the overall structure of a job that employees perform. It focuses on the tasks or duties of the job. Job design helps to determine what tasks are done, how the tasks are done, how many tasks are done, and in what order the tasks are done. Job design ultimately is used to increase efficiency and job satisfaction by offering personal achievement through a variety of challenging tasks. Some techniques of job design are job rotation, job enlargement, and work schedules. Job rotation is when employees move between different tasks to promote experience and variety. Job enlargement adds interest to the job by adding more tasks to the existing job. And work schedules could include anything from changing clock in and clock out times to scheduling breaks during the day. So you can see that job design has various techniques to make sure that employees are satisfied in their job by doing a variety of tasks. So let's move on. To conduct a proper job design, the Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety suggests the following steps. Step 1 is to do an assessment of current work practices. During this step, it is imperative to discuss if job design would be necessary and how the process works. The next step is to do a task analysis. A task analysis determines all the tasks in a job while taking into consideration all equipment and workstation features that are important to complete the task. Third is to design the job. During this step, all methods for doing the job needs to be identified. Varying tasks is important to activate different mental activities and body positions. Fourth step is to implement the new job design gradually. This is the time to train employees in the new procedures and on any new equipment. Last, it is important to reevaluate job design continuously. This is the stage where any changes that need to be made are implemented. Though these steps are suggestions, it would be beneficial to follow these 5 steps to make sure that nothing is overlooked while configuring a job. Next, let's look at some strengths and weaknesses of job design. First, let's go over the strengths of job design. Job design can be applied to all types of jobs, whether it's a manufacturing job, a service job, or even an office job. It has been proven that it does create greater satisfaction and can even create more commitment to the job by adding non-monetary rewards. Also, employees are able to learn new skills and add knowledge from different parts of the organization. Lastly, a big strength of job design is that it comes from the input of the employee. Employees are able to voice when and how to carry out specific tasks. On the other hand, not every employee wants autonomy, nor is the organization readily able to give autonomy to employees. Job design is time-consuming and expensive. Task analysis and reconfiguring of jobs involves employees, managers, and their time, as well as any cost of training applicable to the new task. Another weakness of job design is that it can reduce the need for managers and supervisors as the employees find their own sense of freedom in their jobs, which can also lead to managers and supervisors conflicted of their role above the employee. Now that we have reviewed job design, let's apply some examples to make sure you understand. In the first example, we have a technique used in job design called job rotation. Job rotation is used to expand the person's experience and variety of skills. This could be used when an organization wants to promote an employee to a management position. Job rotation can allow them to experience the management role by having them act as a manager for a required amount of time before any promotions are made. This shows the strengths and weaknesses of the individual and can be insight to what additional training is needed. Rotating through the job can even let the individual see what is required of the role and if they want to continue through the promotion. Another example of job design is job enlargement. Job enlargement is a horizontal move in which you add similar level tasks to the existing job. So let's say the employees on an assembly line are getting bored in their job due to the repetitive mechanical task. If we replace assembly lines with modular work, the employee can work on several steps of the product or item before passing it on, creating greater variety in their job. As you can see, job design is all about the organization of job in which makes the employees more efficient and satisfied. Though there are some weaknesses to job design, it can add non-monetary rewards in which the employees can feel a sense of personal achievement. So that concludes this lesson on job design. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.